Bonafide Hustler here, and today it's not so much a hot shot, but I'm gonna open up a hot shot vlog because you guys are really liking these hot shots. So let's go with it. Let's see what I get into today, and let's have some fun. Let's go. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris, Bonafide Hustler, coming to you live from the inside of my house. I just got back from the coffee shop and lifting and all that kind of stuff this morning. I did eBay listings at the coffee shop, well, triple listings really, and did some stuff for the green room. But I had to come home not only for my first meal, my first real meal of the day, but we're gonna be selling something on Facebook Marketplace. Yeah, so anyways, and we also gotta get some stuff to the post office somehow today. What's selling on Facebook Marketplace? These, I think I picked them up. I picked them up last week for around 25, maybe? Something like that. Gonna be selling for 70 bucks. There's a person en route right now. And those are basically work boots. They're made by Rocky. It's a decent brand. It's not the best, but it's a decent brand. When you get those out, we're also gonna get out a pair of boots that were $10 at a garage sale that sold for $300. And then we're gonna get out a pair of shoes that I'm like 20, maybe 22 into, something like that, that sold for $59.99 this morning. So, anyways, that's what's going today. That's what's going on today. I got about 2 hours to kill between now and a mountain bike ride, so I'm going to list a bunch of stuff on eBay and triple list things, and still kind of remain home. And then if I'm lucky, I might have some time after my ride to do a little bit of thrifting, like a tiny bit. Either way, I opened up this vlog because tomorrow I'm definitely gonna do a hot shot, and I'm gonna roll this vlog into tomorrow's vlog, and we're gonna kind of combine two. So if you're enjoying these hot shots, you have to hit the like button. It's imperative. And oh yeah, now that I did the poll about the hair, it seems like there's 50% of the people that like it long, 50% of the people like it short. But it might be like one person that's like, go bald. I don't know what to do. I don't know whether to cut it. I don't know whether to keep eating biotin supplements and try to make it grow longer. I don't know. I got some funny comments, and that is all that matters. I got funny comments that made me laugh, and I urge you guys to always comment on my videos, and if you do comment on my videos, I do put a little heart next to, well, I hit the little heart button, and it shows that I read the comment. I can't get back to all my comments, but I can read my comments, and if you see a little heart next to your comment, that means I read your comment. All right, that guy's gonna be here pretty soon. Then I'm gonna go list stuff on, for like the next hour and a half, something like that. I'll get rigged up for a mountain bike ride, and hopefully, I'll have some time to do a hot shot or something super small. Maybe I can go to like 2 thrift stores or something like that. That were the 2 closest to my house. We'll see. All right, time to sell them. Let's go. Yeah, I mean, it's perfect. All right, well, that was fast. He looked at it, he goes, oh, it's new. Okay, that was it. One thing down right there. So that's been done. Let's see. I sold them for 70 bucks. Let's see if I get 70 bucks. Let's see. Oh man, moment of truth. I usually count it outside, but I really didn't care to this time. Yes, yes. Oh, and some garage sale cash. Oh, sweet. Thanks, dude. He knew I was gonna go garage selling this weekend, so he made sure to give me some good denominations. All right, so it's about 2 hours later. I finished up 7 or 8 really high quality listings, which was good. I also did do some scouting on the local avenues for maybe things that I want to buy and resell as well. I got back to some messages regarding things that I do have for sale, so that's awesome, including, you know, that I'm mountain biking somewhere, and I'm mountain biking at a place that's like 10 minutes away, and I know that there's a lady that wanted to pick up something if I could bring it closer to her. So I let her know, but those are the kind of things that you gotta be thinking about when you're doing, you know, local kind of reselling and stuff like that. You have to be thinking, where am I headed today? You know, who wants this item, and can I make it a little bit easier for them to get the item? And so I do things like that. I want to show you guys something pretty cool that I picked up last Friday. This is a Burton White collection. All right, this is basically Shaun White's collection for Burton. It's like the more expensive, basically, like snowboard. It's basically the more expensive snowboard jackets and stuff. This one is super awesome. It's actually my size. I scored it for $10 out the door. I mean, look at this thing. And the sleeves are really interesting. This is what's really neat about it. The sleeves almost have like a shirt coming out of it. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? But yeah, it's a really nice jacket. It has magnetic closure through here and everything like that. And a really nice, you know, super pimped out interior. Very, very awesome jacket. Super tempted to keep it and like just list my own jacket on there. I don't know. But anyways, it's very tapered. So that's the one thing that's a little atypical of snowboard jackets, is that when you deal with ski jackets and stuff, you'll find more tapered kind of stuff. But when you deal with snowboard jackets, they're usually big and baggy. Now the white collection a lot of times has more style built into it, and so it's really neat. It almost looks like a pea coat, you know, with these big buttons and everything like that. But it definitely is tapered, and there's not much room once it's on. There's not much room around the waist, which is good and bad, but you know, it is what it is. Cool jacket though, what do you guys think? All right, time to get ready for the ride. I'm actually riding with E-Money today, maybe someone else, we'll see. Got the boxes ready. We got shoes in both of them, actually. A shoe and boot. Going out, just in case I find USPS in my neighborhood. By the way, this morning when I went to the gym around 7, something like that, there were 2 or 3 mail trucks already in my neighborhood, like zooming around. I can't believe it. Something I've never seen before. Well, look at what we got here. As soon as I turned out of my cul-de-sac, yes. Sweet! Yes! That made my day. That was awesome. If everything goes right, I should also be selling a pair of shoes today on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. I don't know. I don't know where it came from, but either way, should be pretty nice. A pair of Doc Martens, I believe. And I have an appointment at 7 for someone to come by the house. So that's pretty good stuff right there. Heading down to the trail system to meet up E-Money. Went to the Toyota dealership last week to get my oil changed, and they circled a little, you know, star on my windshield where a rock had hit. But it'd be nice if they just told me and not like circled it, because now I'm just sitting there like, oh, I see you. I have a circle on my windshield. No. All right, so I got here to the trail. E-Money made a huge mistake. Such a beginner, E-Money.
I forgot my bike.
Forgot his helmet is what he. No, you forgot your helmet.
I forgot my bike.
Yeah, so he's not going to ride today, but I'll ride with my other friend. Anyways, so I'm going to get a ride done real quick. I'm going to get a ride done real quick, and then I'll see you guys back at the house and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, let's go. All right, it's about 3:20. I'm going to do 2 thrift stores. Done with the ride. It was awesome. Rode really, really fast today. That was good. Got the bike on the back, and I got my $20 kryptonite lock. Oh, look at that, from an REI garage sale. Locking the bike up, plus this part's locked right here. Gotta protect your stuff, boys. All right, let's go to this Goodwill. Well, let's see what we can find. Maybe we can find something good. I'm like doing a hot shot within the hot shot. Like I'm trying to go as fast as I can. Hey, look, Emerson could have used that today. Looking around for some random stuff. I found that snowboard jacket right here. All right, so my battery died at that last store, but we're here at the last Goodwill of the day. This is as much as I can do. I got other stuff to take care of, but let's go check it out. Nothing pretty good. This is specialized here, but it's pretty torn up. Some interesting boots right here. Some Brooks Mammoth boots. Pretty nice. They must be delaminating. They have to be. Why would they be here? These are actually really good hiking boots. Let's see how much they are. $10. Ooh, this was probably a buy all day. So I ended up getting those boots right there. They look pretty good. All the eyelets look good. The lace guides look good. Everything looks awesome. They're in really good condition. Size 11 men's. I mean, gosh, they're in really good condition. So I'm gonna be asking about 100 to 120 for these on eBay. Pretty awesome. That's pretty much that. I'm gonna go down to my house, play with my dogs, and probably edit a video that will go live today, and then the one that you're watching will be a couple days from now. But if you guys are having fun with these videos, then hit the like button. Tomorrow we are definitely going on a hot shot, so I want you guys to come with me. You gotta come with me though. All right, it's officially the next day. Yes, had a good mountain biking ride yesterday, and did sell a pair of shoes last night that I was $10 into, sold for $50 locally, so that was pretty cool. Today we're gonna hit up a quick workout. It's about 11 o'clock. I kind of slept in a little bit until like 7:30, and I edited a video that I launched not too long ago. So today we're gonna go hit up a workout real quick, and then we're gonna go thrifting. We're gonna take care of this hot shot, and I'm gonna edit it and get it to you guys. Let's go to the gym. Yeah, arrived at the gym and knock out this hour workout, no more than that. And then we'll get on this hot shot, but I'll take you in for a second. Let's do it. All right, so we're done with the workout, and we're actually gonna go home and play with our dogs for a little bit so we can get a little bit longer of a hot shot today. So we're gonna go knock that out real quick, and then our hot shot, instead of being like 2 hours, might be like 3 hours, which I think will be much better.
I don't think it's considered a hot shot.
It is.
If it's that long.
It is. Well, we'll let the people know in the feed. Is it a hot shot if it's 3 hours? Or only if it's 2 hours?
I think a hot shot is like 30 minutes to an hour.
Gosh, babe. What kind of thrifting is that?
That's a hot shot.
I don't know. That's a one and done. I don't know. Anyways, we'll see you guys at the house. Now, if that's not happiness, I don't know what it is. Roxy, what are you sniffing? Roxy, you happy out here? Austin, are you happy out there? Well, it's a beautiful day out here. I'm telling you, I probably should be riding my bike or something, but I'm gonna do a hot shot for sure. Yeah. You gonna go pee on the grass? And I'm gonna film it? Yeah. Oh, you gonna pee on the grass too and I'm gonna film it? Ha, got it. Are you gonna pee on the grass? I wanna film it. This is important. I only got a lot of subscribers. Austin, come on, you gotta pee on the grass.
What are you talking about?
Nothing. Anyways, it's a beautiful day out here. And what?
Hello? They're looking for gains. It's for you.
Oh, sweet. Oh, what's up? I'm here. Oh my God, I'll take all of them. All right, we're finally ready for the hot shot. Pumped to find some cheddar. I hope you are too. Let's go. First thrift store is this Goodwill right here. I asked my wife, like, what do you want to get from thrift stores today? What was your response?
I don't know.
Yeah, exactly. Because you don't know what you're going to get. So let's just check it out. You like that thing?
Oh, it's so cheap feeling.
And you like it?
No.
That looks like a Toomey bag. It's not a Toomey bag, but this looks like a Toomey bag. Gosh, crazy. Like ballistic nylon, everything, just not a Toomey bag. Alright, I found some brand new Mayan sandals right here, which I think are endorsed by Keen or something like that. Anyways, these are Mayan sandals. My last pair sold for $100. And I'm gonna look these up and make sure because these are 25 bucks. The last pair I paid $20 for. So we'll see if I pop on these or not. We'll see. Alright, scored those sandals. I'll be asking about $100 for them. I paid actually $20 out the door for these. Pretty crazy. Got some sort of a discount. I don't even know how it worked. What'd you get?
They look brand new. Prana hiking pants.
Those are good. Are those your size?
Yep.
Nice. Alright, next Goodwill. Just pulled up.
The Chaos Goodwill.
The Chaos Goodwill. You don't like this one, do you?
I don't know. It's just really chaotic.
Hey, do you need some sunglasses?
Whoa.
Look at that. There's a Burley trailer here. That's pretty crazy. What the hell's a Burley trailer doing here? I wonder if that's even available to purchase. It is. Thinking about the CCM bag with a Blackhawks patch, but I think that was just added afterwards, maybe. I'll pop on this guy, Burley B, 20 bucks. It's a no-brainer. You guys hear that? There's like a bee in here. Oh, there it is. All right, got the Burley B in there. It's about $100 local sale, nothing crazy. Let's go to some more thrift stores. You didn't find anything at that crazy place, did you?
No. Wasn't in the mood to dig.
Okay, it's all good. I get it. Sometimes I'm like that too. I tend to go really fast on days like that. The central Austin traffic is crazy. Next Goodwill is kind of like in the strip center. We're on Riverside Drive in town, and it's in here. This gets a lot of donations from UT students. Let's see what they got. Hey, you look like a student. You have a backpack.
Yeah.
All right, taking a look. Very, very disorganized. Check out this terrible job on this Jordans. Man, they're so messed up. Oh my gosh. Ew. There is a Villaware here. 2201 C Maxi Classic Waffler 4. 10 bucks. Might have to get this. Found these Hoka Bondi 4 shoes in really good condition. Pretty much almost nubs on nubs. 10 bucks. This is definitely a buy right here. And we sell for about 65. We have this Burton jacket right here, a dry ride Burton jacket extra small, which is good. I'm gonna test out the zippers, make sure it's good to go, but not the greatest jacket, but not the worst jacket. Still probably sell this thing. It's about $13 out here. This could be a 50 locally and about a 70 on eBay. All right, she came out empty-handed, but she did find me this Burton jacket, so that's pretty good. Now, on any of the things that she finds me, any of the profit, the actual profit after fees, we save it. Save it for vacations. Like,
Yeah. This is a junk Goodwill run today.
what are you talking about? This Goodwill is so fancy from the outside. Look at it.
Yeah.
Look at it. It's not
the
that bad.
last one I cut my wrist on.
All right, there is a Goodwill over here, guys. She being little, you know, fussy.
She being?
She being fussy. She Bean. Yeah, this is the last Goodwill. I usually find stuff here though, so let's check it out. Last Goodwill. Here we go. Ooh, some LL Bean boots in there. Some nice touring bike. This one surprisingly has good stuff. It doesn't look like it. Doesn't smell like it either, but it does have good stuff. Alright, so we didn't find anything in that Goodwill. It is nighttime. I'm about to cap off this vlog, but we are going to get some barbecue Texas style because we Texans, right? So that's what we're going to do real quick. I'll flash the barbecue. I want to show you guys what it is because it's the real deal if you come to Austin, Texas. Those of y'all who have come to a green room meetup or something like that, you know exactly what I'm talking about. We're here at Rudy's, and yeah, it's kind of like cattle style. They move you through like a little cattle line to get your barbecue. Alright, so this is what true Texas brisket looks like. Looks pretty good. We got some potato salad, coleslaw, we got the sauce, we got the pickles.
And our plates.
What do you guys think of that? Would you eat that? Let me know down below. That's the last question of the ride along. Now, a lot of times the brisket is good by itself. What I want to do sometimes is dip it into the sauce, which is on a plate. Look, it's clearly a plate, right? Let me try it. A1. Are you a barbecue girl?
Yeah, now I am. Wasn't for a long time.
Guys, thanks for hanging out with us on the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like button. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.